How to download app icon from Google Studio Android app. So this is my Android app right inside Google Studio. And when you come here to the home, let me click on it for you to see. Over here, as you can see, this is my Android app icon. Okay, and I have successfully downloaded it from Google Studio, and this is it. And when I come here and then I show you the properties, as you can see, the dimension is 512 by 512 and it is PNG file. So let me show you how you can also download your app icon right from Google Studio. What you have to do is simply go to Google and then from Google search, come and search for Google Studio just like this and then hit enter. So when it comes, come and slide the official site of Google Studio by clicking on it. Going to bring you right here to the Google Studio platform. Okay. All that you have to do is simply come here to the build. You are going to see that we have my apps here. Come and then click on it. Okay. So all the apps that you have built will come just like this. Okay. All that you have to do is simply come and select the one that you want to download the app icon from. So I'm going to select this one by clicking on it. So when I click on it, it's going to show up just like this. And as you can see, this is the complete Android app right inside Google AI Studio. So in order for you to get the app icon, come to the home and then click on it. Okay. And as you can see from here, this is the app icon. So if yours is not showing, you have to ask Gemini to build it for you or create it for you. So from the chat box, simply come and then tell Gemini to simply create the app icon for you. And when Gemini has successfully created the app icon, all that you have to do is that you have to confirm that it shows just like this, and now you can download it. So to download it, come to the top here and simply come and then click on the publish. Okay. So when you click on the publish over here at the top, you're going to see that we have GitHub right here. Simply come and then click on GitHub. Okay. So when you click on GitHub, it's going to show just like this. And you have to come and then create a repo. Okay. So the repo name, you can simply use the name of your app. Okay. And then add Android app icon to it just like this. Okay. Just add Android app icon just like this. And after that, simply come here to the description and then come and write something small, just like download app icon, just like this. Okay. And then when you are done, simply come here to where you have the visibility and then make sure that private is selected. So when private is selected, that is the good. And then after that, simply come here and then come and click on create GitHub repo. Okay. So when you click on it, that is it. It is going to show just like this. Okay. And then from here, it's going to create the repo in the main branch. Okay. So simply come here, then come and click on stage and commit all changes. So when you click on it, that is it. It is going to create your repo for you just like this. And as you can see, it has successfully created it. All that you have to do is simply come here, then come and click on the close to close it. Now, all that you have to do is simply go to GitHub. Okay. So to go to GitHub, go to Google, then come and type in GitHub just like this, and then come and hit enter from the search bar. It is going to show up just like this. Come and click on the first one. It's going to take you right here to GitHub. And then inside it, you are going to see the repo that we just created. Okay. And this is it. This is the last one that we just created. All that you have to do is simply come and then open it. And to open it, come and then click on it, and it's going to open just like this. And as you can see, we are within our repo, the one that we just created. Okay. So from here, you are going to see that we have all this inside it. So now we need the AI agent to build and then download the app icon for us. And for that one, we are going to use Google Jules. Okay, so simply go to Google, from Google search, come and type in Google Jules just like this and then hit enter. Simply come and then select Google Jules, the official one, by clicking on this. It's going to bring you right here to the Google Jules platform. All that you have to do is simply come here, the top right hand corner where it says try Jules, come and then click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the Jules platform. Okay. And then over here, you have to come and then connect it to GitHub. So from here, okay, all that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the down arrow. Okay. And then come and click on it. And then over here, you have to come and then configure it. Okay. So simply come here to where it says configure repo and then come and click on it. So over here, you have to come and then sign into GitHub. Okay. So to do that, you have to come and then verify. So to verify, come and click on verify via email. And when you click on it, they are going to send you a code into your inbox. Okay. So simply go to your inbox, copy the code and come and paste the code right here, just like this. And then come and click on verify. So after that, it's going to log you right into your GitHub, just like this. Okay. Over here, you have to come and then give Julius permission, okay? And the permission that you're going to give, you are going to give it read access permission, and then you're also going to give it read and write access permission. And simply come here to where we have the repo access, okay? Come and make sure that only select repos is selected, okay? Check the circle to select it. After that, come here to where it says select repo, come and then click on the down arrow. You are going to see all your repos show up just like this, okay? Simply come and then select the one that we just created, and this is it. So by clicking on it, you'll see that it will be added into it just like this, okay? And all that you have to do now is to simply come here and then come and then click on the save, okay? And that is it. As you can see, we have successfully given Julie's access to our GitHub repo. Okay. So when you come here, come and then click on the down arrow, and you can see that the one that we just selected is not among. So we have to come and then refresh Julie. So simply come here to where you have the refresh icon, come and then click on it so that Julie's platform will be refreshed. And after refreshing it, simply come here again, come and click on this down arrow, and then among it, simply come and then see that you can see that we have this one. Come and then select it, the one that we just created, okay? And as you can see, we have successfully selected our repo, and now Julius can use it. So the next thing that we have to do is simply come and then give Google Julius the prompt to simply inspect and then create the app icon for us. And I have the link in the video description. Just click on it. It's going to bring you right here to this prompt, okay? And all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says Google Julius app icon prompt, okay? This one, okay? So simply come here to where it says prompt start here. All that you have to do is simply come and then put the mouse at the top, highlight it from the top to the bottom just like this. And then after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt, okay? So after copying the whole prompt, simply come back to the Julius platform just like this and come and paste in the prompt inside the chat. Okay, so when you paste in the prompt, as you can see, we are successfully pasting the prompt inside the chat. All that you have to do is simply come here, then come and click on the send or submit button, okay? And that is it. So Julius is going to go through the stages just as you see it this way, okay? So from the section over here, as you can see that Julius has received our prompt and it is inspecting it. Okay, so all that you have to do to see more about it, simply come here to view more and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, you see that it is in progress. Okay, so Google Julius is simply working on it to get the app icon for us. It is going to take some time, okay, so that you have to give it time. Okay, just give it time and it's going to finish. And when it is done, you will see that from here it has showed a notification that it is done and it is awaiting for our review. So all that you have to do is simply come to where we have the ready for review and then come and click on it. And as you can see, it's going to show up just like this. As you can see, everything is successful. All planned steps completed, okay? And over here, you even have the download option to download it, but don't download it from here yet. All that you have to do is simply go back to GitHub, okay? And then come and then click on your repo name. Just click on it to make sure that you are within it. And then from the top right hand corner, you are going to see that just beside your profile picture, you are going to see the notification right here. Simply come and then click on the notification icon, okay? And it's going to open up just like this, okay? So this is the notification from Google Julius. All that you have to do is simply come and then select it. So to select it, simply come and then put the mouse on it and simply click on it, and it's going to open just like this, okay? So all that you have to do is simply scroll down and then come here to where we have no conflict with base branch, okay? So all that you have to do is simply come and then click on merge pull request. So just click on it. By clicking on it over here, the commit message, just leave it as it is, okay? Just leave it as it is. And then over here, the extended description to just leave it as it is, okay? And all that you have to do is simply come here, then come and click on confirm merge. Just click on it. So after clicking on it, you're going to see that pull request successful, merged and closed, okay? Good. All that you have to do is just scroll to the top and then come and then click on the name of your repo, okay? And you are going to see that it will bring you right here to your repo. And then inside it, you are going to see that we have all these here. Among them is this one, and that is the Play Store access slash app icon. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on it, and that is where we are going to get our app icon, okay? So it has been created successfully by Julius. As you can see, we have it right here. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on it to open. So when you click on it, it's going to show your app icon, and it has successfully built and then created it for us. So to download it, simply come here to the download and then come and click on download raw file. And from the download here, as you can see, we have successfully downloaded our app icon. So all that you have to do now is to simply come here to where we have show in folder and then come and click on it. Okay, and it's going to open it. So let me make it larger. So from the view, I'm going to click on the view and then come and click on the large icons. And as you can see, we have our app icon downloaded right here. Okay, and it is the exact same thing with the exact dimension. So I can simply come here and then just right click on it and then come here to properties, just click on properties and then come here to where we have the details, click on it, and from here, from the dimension, as you can see, it is 512 by 512, and that's the exact Play Store requirement. And then the file name is PNG file. Okay, so this is actually how to download your app icon from UI Studio Android app. Like the video and see you in my next video.